little artists! Welcome back to One Smile Drawing. Look at this adorable little teddy bear sitting on the right side. Let's color its fluffy fur with a magical bright pink. Let's spell it together. P-I-N-K. Pink! Yes! Let's trace those big, sweet eyes looking up at the sky. Aww! Make a melting heart sound. This little bear looks so happy to see its friend. Rub, rub, rub your crayon until it's a completely fluffy pink masterpiece. Yahoo! Whoa! Look what's floating right in the middle of our page. Let's trace 3 round circles. Puff, puff, puff. They are celebration balloons. Let's color them with a mix of dark blue, B-L-U-E, bright strawberry red, R-E-D, and a soft candy pink. Swoosh! Balloons are filled with light helium gas, which makes them float high up into the air. Hold on tight to those strings, little bear, or they will fly away into the clouds. Now let's jump all the way up to the top of the sky. Boing! Look at these beautiful shapes floating in the air. They are lovely hearts. Let's paint them a deep, vibrant red. Let's spell red. R-E-D. Red. Hearts represent love and friendship. These bears are best friends and they love playing together in the park all day long. Yay! Now let's slide back over to the left side to look at our first buddy. We are sketching and coloring this big happy teddy bear with a bright sunny yellow. Let's spell yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Brush the yellow paint smoothly across its round ears and tummy. It looks like a yummy honeybee bear ready for a big hug. Wow! Look right under the yellow bear's chin. Let's trace and paint this beautiful knotted accessory. It's a fancy bow tie. We are coloring it a warm, juicy orange. Let's spell orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Let's also paint its cute round snout and the inner parts of its feet with that same bright orange color. Tickle, tickle. It looks so sharp and dressed up for a party. Yahoo! Wow, wow, wow! Look at our finished drawing board, friends! Our yellow teddy bear and pink teddy bear look absolutely spectacular with their floating colorful balloons and red love hearts. Yahoo! We learned our shapes, practiced our color spellings, and shared so much friendship love today. If you had fun making this sweet art piece with me, give this video a big thumbs up. Yes! Share it with your friends and hit that subscribe button for more magical learning and drawing adventures with One Smile Drawing. Keep smiling, keep sharing, and see you next time. Bye-bye!